Are you going to drop this?
Let's try it, let's try it. Do you know what? This might work. Yes! We're going wild camping.
I hear the sounds of your heartbeat. I can hear it now. I can hear it now. I hear the sounds. I can hear it now. Of your heartbeat. I can hear it now. I can hear it.
This is home for the night.
So we decided to go wild camping for the night and we've come to Castleton.
Yes. All this talk of like this road trip that we're doing in a few weeks, we just said, you know what? We're excited for it. Let's go wild camping. Let's do it. Yes. It's raining. It's raining. Quick. In. Go. Oh, it just started raining then, didn't we? So I took off for a walk. You know what? We're kind of got everything that we need in the van, but we're not really organised, are we? We've just put everything that we need in. But just look at the view that we've got for the night. Yes, we're wild camping. Love it.
Is that a bit Scottish then?
I know that proper came out then. That's passion, that's one of the reasons that we wanted to come wild camping tonight as well. Is Thor thinks he's getting some snacks, which he probably is. We need to like organise this trip, don't we? And we find that when we're out in the van, we're motivated, aren't we?
Yeah, and obviously we haven't really travelled very much and we've kind of missed it. So tonight we just thought, it's quite late in the evening, but we thought, why not? Let's just get out.
One life, live it. Just do it. We just,
And then we thought as well, we can make some nice food. So Tom's going to make me a Ridge Monkey pizza.
Yes, can't wait. Oh, well, I'm going to try.
It better be nice.
It's dry now, so shall we try again? Take Thor for a walk. Let's go. You know what? We've missed this so much, haven't we? Especially for the last 6 months, we've not really like done as much as we want. But the fact that we've just decided let's go wild camp was the right thing to do, wasn't it?
Yeah,
definitely. It's just a warm up for the Scotland trip and the Northumberland trip that we're doing. We're getting something, aren't we, for that Scotland trip? Let me have some guesses. Brooke's always wanted one, and we've been asking you guys a lot of questions. Put it in the comments below. What do you think we're getting? Explorers that we are, we have just seen this here. This isn't far from where we're wild camping. So let's go and have a quick nosy. It says there's tours.
Yeah, because you can go inside a cavern, but obviously it'll be shut now because it's quite late. But so this is for another day because dogs are welcome.
But we can still go and have a quick look up here though, can't we?
I think so.
Let's go and explore. Let's do it.
It's a public footpath.
Public footpath. Let's do it. Wow, as that sign just said, 320 million years ago, all this was water with tropical sea life.
Like I said, everywhere we go, pick up a leaflet.
If you're watching this and you're like new to van life or you're thinking of getting into van life, you need to do it, cause just the way that we feel right now, it's amazing. I'm going to try and make I will call it a dubventures pizza.
Okay.
Is that what you will call it? We're gonna try and make
A Ridge Monkey pizza.
A Ridge Monkey pizza. Now we actually put this on Facebook, and a lot of you guys are supporting me, so let's do this. We're gonna make some potato wedges first, I think. So these are gonna be nice and simple. Appetizer for as I'm making the pizza, so I can just, you know. Oh, it's hot. We'll keep that bit. Oh, that is hot. Nice, but hot.
Pizza Express pizza dough.
Don't
drop the pizza dough.
Yeah, better hold it. I think what I'm going to do is take it out here first. Right, okay, yeah, I get it. I'm kind of understanding how this works. So I can kind of like roll this out a bit. Yeah, okay, I get it. So what I'm gonna do is
roll it all out first.
Just so that you know, this isn't a cooking channel, and you know, so you know, don't be like commenting and saying, you know, my cooking skills aren't all that. But so I've got an idea. So if we do that, yes.
And is there going to be enough pizza on the other side?
What do you mean?
For my piece?
How do you know this isn't your piece?
Alright, fair enough. I always get the first one. You get the mixed matched one. What have you done?
How's the pizza dough got that big all of a sudden? All I did is lift it up. I've got an idea. We're gonna watch what we do. I've got an idea.
So, what was your idea, Tom?
My idea was I was gonna do it where, because like it was a bit big, I was gonna put things in and then put it on top, but kind of didn't work that way. So anyway, it's alright. We're on with it. Now Brooke doesn't like tomato ones, so Brooke's going to be having barbecue sauce.
Spread it out.
Yeah, one minute. There we go.
Probably need a
Bit more barbecue.
A little bit more.
A little bit more barbecue sauce.
Chef in the making.
Oh, yeah. You know, if you don't try these things, like I said, I'm no chef. Don't take this as a tutorial because it isn't. Right. There.
Right.
Cheese. It's alright, that, isn't it? Right, gonna do mine a little bit different. I'm gonna see if I can do mine.
A bit like a calzone.
Yeah, and like a bit on top, a bit in the bottom type thing. So let's try it. Right, so I've got the pizza ready, and as you can see what I'm going to do here, I put this bit here, but if I turn this over now it might fall out.
But he didn't think that if he puts it in that he's got to tip it upside down, so are you going to drop this?
Let's try it. You ready, guys? I don't know how this is going to go. Oh, it didn't fall out, This might work, you know. Do you know what? This might work. Yes. What?
Have you seen his face? Because it works and he didn't drop the pizza.
Let's see how it might look first. But no, I'm. Look, and it's not stuck to the top either. This. I know it doesn't look great, but you know what? I'm really pleased with myself here.
Mine's nice, to be fair. Can I finish eating it now?
You can finish eating yours now. Yes.
That's staying in.
I had this like big like. I've already said it doesn't look like amazing because I'm not a chef, but I had this idea that I was gonna like obviously fold it up and show in the middle of it and everything, like but it's hot underneath. Anyway, I'm just gonna eat it. Squatting under a tree at the moment. It's absolutely chucking it down. It was dry when we got out of the van.
Tom kept saying, no, don't need to put Thor's coat on, so the car's got to hide under it.
Yeah, well, I've not put our coat on, but
I've got my coat on.
It's a nice view though, so we'll just we'll just chill. There we go, it's not raining as much now, see, don't have to worry about it.
Still should have put Thor's coat on.
I know, I should have put his coat on, but blue sky over here. Amazing view to wake up to. Yes. We've only been away for literally one night. It feels like we've been like on a holiday or something, doesn't it? We feel like we've done so much, and we've said this before.
Set off still quite late in the evening yesterday.
I know, but when we woke up, we actually said we feel like we've been on holiday. Do you know what? If you're thinking about getting into van life and things like that, or even if you've got a van and you don't really use it that much, because there's a lot of you out there that I know that you don't, come on, I encourage you, do it, because it's good, isn't it? So glad that we did it. Can't wait till the next one, and we've got an exciting delivery that we're going to show you on the next video.
So make sure you hit that subscribe button